Hey, it's Fuzzy. Okay, I'm going to show you the difference between having Kahtoola Gaiters on, which are Gore-Tex. They get wet, they dry quick, than not. Okay, watch this. Nice and clean, no grime, nothing in my shoe. Let's take it off, find out. Nice and clean. Socks are clean. Now let's see when I don't have them on. Other than being water resistant and shed all the water away from my leg and my socks, but this is what it prevents. Now watch this. Look at all the grass in there. Okay, so I take this off. Look at that. Look at all the grass in there. And that's what my Kahtoola prevents from happening, is that. So I don't have to get all this and little tiny blades of grass get in my socks, and it's really hard to get them out. My shoe gets full, and yeah, I love these things, I'll tell you. Kahtoolas are the best. All right, that's my review. Thanks for coming.